Pranam to all. How are you? I hope you are all fine. You must have seen our winter videos where our garden was filled with such lovely flowers. After 1.5 months later, all the chrysanthemum flowers became dry. If you have watched our previous video, I have already told you that we have been growing these plants from the mother plant for last 6 years. Most of you asked us, how do we save these chrysanthemum plants in the summer? After winter, we have cut our chrysanthemum plants so that there is only 2 inches of plant above the soil. And see, from the mother plants, there's so many cute baby plants. My mom observes the plants every day, and my mom observed that in many of our plants there is insect attack. And some baby plants have buds. I wonder, will they even bloom right now? Delhi is kind of like a semi-desert and there is unbearable hot in here. So my mom suggests that this time you should not cut your plants or you should not even repot your plants. To do those things, you must wait until June. So work for now is to keep the plants humid, give it a little amount of fertilizer and get it away from insect and attack. As from this mother plant, we have already created some baby plants. My mom is doing the final cutting of this mother plant. My mom protects the plant from pest or insect attack with only one solution. Yes, you're right, it is no other than bioenzyme. We have recently uploaded a video on how to make a bioenzyme, so you can watch that video and make a bioenzyme for yourself. Believe me, this bioenzyme has a lot of benefits, like it acts as an insecticide, pesticide, soil supplement, fertilizer, etc. Okay, now my mom is showing you how much bioenzyme you need in 1 liter of water. She has taken 1 liter of water and the most important, the bioenzyme. You only need 5 to 10 ml of bioenzyme for 1 liter of water. Now simply mix it properly and now let us spray it on our plant. Shower your plants and spray it on the both sides of the leaves so the insects can't attack our plant anymore. There is one more important thing. As we live in Delhi, which is almost like a semi-desert, the temperatures can go up to 45 or 47 degrees Celsius. So this is what I recommend. I recommend you to keep your plants under a shaded area. And if this is not possible, then shower your plants 2 times a day. In the growing stage, my mom gives only one fertilizer, which is the rice water. And to remove all the pests and insects, the magical liquid that my mom uses, bioenzyme, it also acts as an fertilizer. You can keep this up till June. Then my mom will give you a video how to repot your plant in June only. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.